Fuck. Oh shit, I almost missed the boat. Alright, so I make it on the boat. I make it on the boat. Finally make it. So the boat moving out right now. We're going out to sea. We're gonna have a wonderful time. It's gonna be hyped. I told you guys I had something exciting coming, and there's it, the Sunset Cruise. Dryland Tourist. My friends are just different. I got the weirdest friends ever. Yeah. Oh God. That is good. That was delicious. Oh. Oh. All right, so this cruise is off to a drinking and a magnificent start. So far, I had 2 shots of Hennessy. Don't know what type of Hennessy, but I think it's just regular Hennessy. And no, I am not drunk, not yet. But the cruise just started and we aren't doing much dancing or nothing like that yet. But soon, that gonna happen. You understand? Dryland tour is what? Good? The thing goes pop 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 pop. You will do pop pop. And boom boom boom. Whose man's is this? I would think that's yours. Whose man's is this? Mine's not hot, yo. We kind of calmed down for the moment because the sun is setting. But so far I am having a good time on the cruise. One of my friends' birthday cruise. So again, happy birthday Josiah. Hope you live to see many, many more. And as we say in Jamaica, happy Earth Strong, my boss. You understand? Yes, yeah. So yeah, we're cooling down right now. We cruising. That's my view for now. I have no idea why they're laughing so hard. Trying to vlog here. Shut the frig up. I am trying to vlog. I want to hear laughing in my background. Like and subscribe.
Alright, I will pay her how much you send me.
Yeah, she drunk. Food, glorious food. Dear Josiah. Alright, so I gotta recuperate from this cruise that I just did. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Deuces.